Amidst the heart of the city of light, a spectacle was about to unfold. The year was 1887, and Paris, already a city of grandeur, was about to witness the birth of an icon. A man, a visionary, and a colossal iron structure would forever change the skyline of the city. Gustave Eiffel, a renowned French civil engineer, envisioned a tower that would stand as a testament to human ingenuity and a symbol of progress. In the midst of global industrialization, he sought to create a marvel that would surpass all existing structures, reaching for the heavens above. The project was not without controversy. Critics scoffed at the design, deeming it an eyesore that would mar the beauty of Paris. Yet, Eiffel pressed on, undeterred by the naysayers. He knew that his tower would stand as a beacon of progress, a tribute to the age of iron and steam. As the foundations were laid, the world watched with bated breath. The challenge was immense. The tower was to stand at a staggering 330 meters tall, a height never before achieved in human construction. The task was daunting, but Eiffel was undeterred. The construction was a feat of engineering prowess. Over 18,000 pieces of iron were meticulously designed, fabricated, and assembled. Each piece was numbered and fitted together with precision, a testament to Eiffel's meticulous planning. The tower rose, section by section, a titan of iron ascending into the sky. The city marveled at the sight, awestruck by the audacity of the project and the skill with which it was being executed. Finally, on March 31, 1889, the final piece was put into place. The tower, a towering monument of iron and steel, stood tall over Paris. The city's skyline had been forever altered, and a new icon was born. The Eiffel Tower, a symbol of human ingenuity and progress, stood as a testament to the age of industry. It would become a beacon of Paris, a destination for millions of visitors, and a symbol of the indomitable spirit of humanity. Eiffel's Tower, once a controversial project, had proven its worth. It stood as a monument to human ambition, a testament to the power of vision, and a reminder that even in the face of adversity, the human spirit can ascend to great heights.